This is my 2011 WRX, and I have a bad throwout bearing. I'll show you what it sounds like. Show how many miles I got on it. No, it don't sound bad right now. There it is. But whenever you break shit, you get to fix it up. And I got this stage 1 clutch from a little place in Houston, Texas called Engine Logic. They told me that they have these clutches specially built for them, so it really just looks like an exity clutch because it says so right there. But anyways, I will make a video after I install this to let you know how it feels. And yeah, wish me luck.